Edge AI. The moment people hear this, they start thinking about the software, the models, the data, the training, etc. Well, all this is true if I had just said AI. But I said a word before that, edge. So what is edge AI? Edge AI is running an AI inference on a small computing board or on an embedded board without a connection to the cloud. Now, how is this different from AI? Well, of course, all the things that we talked about first, like the model, the algorithm, the training, everything is important here as well. But that's not all. There is an important part apart from this AI algorithm or model. It is the hardware. With Edge AI, there is a limitation on the models that you can run. There is also a limitation on the performance of these models when you run on the embedded board. Cloud AI is very different. It is backed by a server farm which has FPGA and GPU acceleration to run all the inferences. The embedded board is not equal to that. So a model, when you develop a model for Edge AI, it has to be optimized for these ARM platforms. I have had customers who have developed models and who have trained them on the cloud and wanted them to be ported onto an edge device. It is a big challenge. It is better to have this limitation in mind when we start working on an Edge AI solution rather than as an afterthought. Now, if you combine vision to this Edge AI, the challenges increase immensely. Most of these Edge AI vision requirements are real-time requirements. So you need to have a design where you allow the capture of the camera stream which does not get affected by all the AI heavy lifting that we do in the background. So this is a big challenge when vision comes into play. Also, there is a lot of problems that we can solve by just choosing the right camera. Instead of solving all the camera problems with more processing, it is better to choose the right imaging solution so that you can get the right frames which your model can work on. So there are three things in an Edge AI vision solution: the processing power, which is limited, the imaging solution, which has to be very good, and then, of course, the AI model and data that you use to train your model. Experience in all these three is required if you are to build a successful Edge AI vision solution. VisAI Labs brings in 15 years of product development expertise and imaging leadership onto the table, along with its AI expertise in the form of VisAI platform. If you have an Edge AI vision problem to solve, we are the right partners for you. Thank you.